Hello, this is Marshall Zhukov, and here we are together again on YouTube. I know it looks kind of crazy, but I did get some more new lights. I know, but this time I think it's the last time because I think these are the best ones that I'll be able to get, and for what I want to do with them, I think they're going to be perfect. So I've got everything going into the Custom Dynamics load isolator here. What I did is add these little short green wires with the positive twist connectors to make it really easy, because otherwise you got to use a really fine tip screwdriver, and it's really a pain to get in all these little holes and screw stuff down when you want to put new stuff in there. So it was easiest, I felt, for me to wire things in this way. I know it looks pretty hectic, but actually this Custom Dynamics load isolator plugs into the factory wiring harness, and it's like it's its own relay. Basically, it's invisible to the CAN bus electrical system on the Indian motorcycles. So this is a 2019, and I know some of you have heard me say it before, but I'm going to say it again, and it's going to look kind of weird, but with the hertz frequency that these lights are operating at, it makes it look like it's a little bit wavy on camera and have a shimmer. That's exactly what I'm going for. These are Skene Skene Lights. They have little modulators that make them have this hertz function, and these do have many different functions. The red ones I have right now are set up for brake, as they break in a flash pattern. I also have an alert setting on here with one of the alert modules. You can see the lights in the front and on the side that I've put on. They will flash when you tap the brake 2 times really fast within 1 second.